You're a sad little thing, ain't you?
I don't understand, Uncle Arthur.
Makes sense
Oh,
You
don't
are
sulk
mean.
in the
Go
woods, will
away.
ya?
when you look at your father.
You
Don't
are
be an
terrible.
idiot, Arthur.
My lord, but you're dull.
Are you going after everyone today?
I'd rather talk to the trees.
Is this meant to be funny?
They've got bigger vocabularies.
I know to ignore you when you get like this.
How you feeling? Okay, a little better.
You behaving there, O'Driscoll?
I'm not no Driscoll, sir.
Sure. How are the horses?
Okay. I mean, well, but they could be better. I'm worried. They've been through a lot. If I had some burdock root, just a couple, I could knock up a poultice, could keep them well, and cure some ailments.
Burdock root?
Yes, that works best.
Okay. If I see some, I'll bring it you.
Things seem bad.
Well, thank you, sir.
The world is changing, and I'm not making much sense, am I?
No. But somehow, you've summarized how I feel.
Hey, look who it is, little Shawnee O'Screwloose.
And he's off again.
Why don't you tell us another story about your old da?
What are you playing at?
That's
What are
far
you picking on
enough, Arthur.
We always love to hear them.
Watch me ignore you.
You big, but you're dumb.
Hey, where did that come from?
Real dumb, I mean.
Are you hearing me? Stop it!
For what?